Welcome to another video of how to use the iGiver for an NGO. iGiver is an in-kind donation platform that connects the causes and NGOs with kind souls who want to help. In the earlier video, you would have seen how to download and register the iGiver NGO app. Now we will see how to use it. Click and open on the icon. Click on allow. Enter the username and password that you have used while registering yourself as the NGO. There are two ways in which NGOs can benefit in using this app. One is through the products which are posted by the donors which they want to donate. The other is the products the NGOs can request and the donors can sponsor. Products available, the screen you are seeing here is the products which some donors have put, for which you can request and ask them to donate it to you. So let's click on the post-it notes. So here you see an enlarged picture, and you can also see a map location here. You click on the map location, the icon, it will take you to the map location of where exactly that product is available on Google Maps. See, then you can move the map and understand how far away that donation is available to you. Note that at this point of time, no donor information is shared with the NGO. Click on back. If you want to request for this particular product, you can click on the request icon. Here it says you already selected this product, so you cannot do it twice. Let's go back. Let's click on the sugar product, 10 kgs of sugar which is available. So let's make a request for this. I click on this request icon, which is a person who is holding up his right hand. Your request sent successfully. So we have successfully requested for this particular product. Now if you go to the menu, there is another option called your requests. You click on this. There are two options here. One is called closed requests, the other is called open requests. When we request for a donation product, it will initially come here as open requests, where we have opened the request, we have requested the donor, but they have not responded, they have not awarded it to anybody else as well. It is still open. If the donor chooses to donate that particular product we have requested to us, it will come in the closed request with a small tag on the right hand corner which says awarded. It also says please contact the donor at the below email ID. This is the contact email ID of the donor who has put up the donation. So you should just contact them, or you can contact us for support as well in the support numbers given in our website. The other opportunity for the NGOs is to upload a particular wish. This is something that the NGO wants. Let's take a small example. Okay, so here click on the camera icon, just say allow, and allow for the products as well. So let's click this photograph and then press on the tick, so, and enter the title. Also the description. Add the quantity as well. It is important to mark the category because The donors can search for the specific category and make a decision to award those needs to you. Also indicate the approximate cost of the need. In the drop down you can see the first is less than 1000 and there are multiple ranges given. Please choose any one of them. It is important because the donor will come with a budget in mind, and if his budget falls within this and then he sees your need, there's a very good chance that he will immediately sponsor your particular need. So once the product is uploaded, this is your wish, right? It comes under open wishes. These two are available under the history menu option in the same app. So the open wishes are the wishes that you have put out for the donors to see and sponsor. Of course, if you have made a mistake, you can click on the delete button here as well. Fulfilled wishes are those ones which the donor has already approved and they have sent you their email ID as well. You can contact them or you can take our help in contacting them so that they can send you the promised products. So these are the two ways in which you can benefit as an NGO. You can see what are the products available, request for them and then get it, or you can put it up the products that you want and then the donors can look at it and then sponsor it appropriately. So please do download, install the app, call us in case of any support that you might need and benefit from this platform. Thank you very much.